For the Amy Winehouse version of Valerie, we're starting off with an E flat major 7 chord. First finger, 6th fret of the A string, third finger, 8th fret of the D string, and the second finger on the 7th fret there on the G string, and the pinky finger on the 8th fret of the B string. And we're going to play on the offbeat, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And every time we play the chord, we're going to kind of have a pulsing effect with the left hand. So we hit the chord with the fingers down, and then immediately release the pressure. We don't actually take the fingers off the guitar, we just stop pushing it down on the frets, really. So you got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bars of that. The next chord is an F minor 7 chord. That's a first finger bar on the 8th fret from the A string down, and we have the third finger on the 10th fret of the D, and the second finger on the 9th fret of the B, and we have the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again with that pulsing effect. And that's the rhythm for the verse and the choruses actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F minor. E flat major 7. F minor 7. For the pre-chorus, we go to this A flat major chord. This is our first finger bar on the 4th fret, third finger 6th fret the A, pinky finger 6th fret the D, and second finger on the 5th fret the G. Same rhythm here, but just for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down a fret to the 3rd fret here, but we take the second finger off. This is a G minor chord. Same rhythm for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to repeat this 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times through that pattern. And then we'll go up to a B flat major chord, which is the same as this A flat major chord shape, just up 2 frets at 6, 8, 8, 7, 6, and 6. This one is for 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole progression for the pre-chorus. 1, 2, 3. G minor, A flat major, G minor, A flat major, G minor, B flat major. And then we go back through the verse.